Okay, there we go. So let's just go through that again. You have to put up your hand when you want to speak or ask a question. You have to dance when we have a dance break and participate in activities. You have to listen carefully and stay focused on the screen, and no toys or something that can distract you near your workstation. Deal?
Yeah.
Lekker. Okay, Afrikaans week 4. So this week we're going to learn about Konsonante, which are consonants, and Meervoude, which are plurals. Okay, but before we jump right into that, we're just going to recap what we did last week. So we're going to go through what we did last week. Last week we did vocale, vowels. Can we all remember that?
Yes.
Yes. So there was this teacher and she taught us a little rhyme. The little rhyme was arme, ek, is, opa, uil. Okay, everyone say that with me. Are you ready? Arme, ek, is, opa, uil. Okay, so our vowel sounds are a, e, o, and o. So those are your 5 vowel sounds, okay? Alle klanke wat opgemaak word met a, e, I, o en o is vocale. So all sounds that have one of those 5 sounds in them are vowels. Vocale is oop klanke want ons sê dit met 'n oop mond. Vowels are open sounds because we say them with an open mouth. Now I want you all to get into your little camera there at the top. I hope you all brushed your teeth because we're going to see if you didn't. Okay, so everyone get really close. Everybody get really close. Okay, I want you all to say a, e, I, o, Okay. Now, did you see that your mouth stayed open for all of those sounds? Yeah, that's how we make vowel sounds. So, vocale kan kort of lank wees. What does kort mean?
Short.
Short, thank you. And what does lank mean?
Long.
Very good, guys. So we have short and long vowel sounds. Okay. Kort vocale is, look at my little arrow, mat, les, rok, mus. So can you see that there's only one vowel sound in each of those words? One. Good. Now when we have long vocale, when we have a long vowel sound, we have 2. So let's look at this. Maat, lees, rook, nies. Very good. Now we're going to look at twee klanke, which means we have how many sounds? 1, 2. Twee klanke have 2 or more sounds. Okay, so I'm going to say the sound, you're going to repeat it after me. So everyone follow with me. Ooh. Let's just quickly, Jalen wants to come into the room. Let's just get him in quickly. There we go. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. Oi. I. And now we have a Y, which is also a, like the sound. I. We. Oi. You. I. Okay, so twee klanke have more than one vowel in each sound. Everyone got that? Give me a thumbs up. Let's see your thumbs up. All right, let's carry on. Come on, screen. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to look through twee klanke here at the top. This is where we have two different vowel sounds that makes a new vowel sound. Okay? Ba, u, k, book. Do you all agree?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, you're going to spell it with me. Out, fout. De, ear, deer. Okay, if you're not too sure about the sounds, you can just listen, okay? Then we have dier, de, dier. Okay. Uil, oil. Ei, fly, mooi. Hi, hi. And now we have drie klanke. That means that there are three vowel sounds that makes a new vowel sound. Okay, so let's look at this. Ka, ui, kui. R, oi, roi.
Red.
Mooi. L, ew, leeuw. Ha, oi, hoi. Okay. Onthou, remember, alle klanke wat bestaan uit a, e, I, is vokale. So all sounds that have a, e, I, o, u are vowels. Very good. Now I want you all to get ready. Remember, rule number 2 said you have to dance when we have a dance break. Remember? So here we go. You have to dance. You have to dance.
I like your dance, ma'am.
Thanks. Go here, go dance. Okay, we'll stop there. Okay, everyone's still awake?
Yes.
Good. Okay, let's just see. Oh, we have Jalen in the room now as well. Hi. And all the rest. Okay. Now we're starting with something new. So I want you to go to your Koolkop Afrikaans book. You have to have that book with you. Open your book on page 30 and write today's date. 20 April, the 20th of April. You're going to write it on page 30. And then when you're done, I want 2 thumbs up so I can see that you've done written your date. Write your date at the top of page 30. 20 April. 2 thumbs up when you're done.
20 April.
2 thumbs up. Keep them up, keep them up, keep them up.
Mommy, what is April?
Two thumbs up if you're done.
Page
Okay, cool.
30.
Page 30, yes. Okay, I'm just going to start talking, but you carry on. So we're talking about Konsonante, which are consonants. Okay, so Konsonante is al die klanke in die alfabet wat nie 'n vokaal is nie. So still look at the screen for me. Consonants are all the sounds in your alphabet that are not vowel sounds. Okay. Konsonante knip lig af wanneer dit uitgespreek word. So consonants cut off air. They're not like vowels that are open sounds. They cut off air somewhere in your mouth when we say them. Okay. Now, hoe ons konsonante vorm? How consonants are shaped? So now I want you to look at your book for me. Okay, everyone, look at your book in the block that says onthou. Everyone there? The block at the top that says onthou. All right. There are 4 dots. Can you see the 4 dots?
Yes.
I want you to go and number those dots. So you're going to write number 1, 2, 3, and 4 next to each dot. Everyone, please do that for me. Write number 1, 2, 3, and 4 next to each dot.
What's the date?
20 April, the 20th of April.
I knew it.
Okay,
Apple.
did you all number your dots for me?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. So we're going to look at the first dot. So we're going to look at the screen first, and then you're going to go to your book. Okay, so we're going to work like that now. Keep your head on. Okay, you need to make sure you have your highlighter or a color pen with you. Can everyone get a highlighter or a color pen out for me? Okay. And here we go. So the first place that consonants are shaped is in your keel, which means in your throat. So the first dot, I want you to underline in your book, in your keel. Everyone underline in your book, in your keel.
Yeah.
It's the first dot in your block that says onthou at the top of page 30.
Okay.
In jou keel.
So we're going to the next one now.
Okay. Now the second dot says met jou tong en tande, which is your tongue and your teeth. Everyone underline that for me in your book. Met jou tong en tande. You have to underline the first dot in jou keel. And the second dot, met jou tong en tande. Okay. Now the third dot you're going to underline, met jou lippe, which means with your lips.
Your lips. Got it.
And then the fourth dot you're going to underline, met jou lippe en tande, with your lips and your teeth.
A tongue. Teeth.
All right, so now we're just going to go through what those sounds are. So everybody back focus on the screen for me. Look at the screen for me. There we go. Okay. In jou keel are sounds like a everyone say okay. So the words for that is geskiedenis
Geschiedenis.
en groot.
Groot.
Can you feel the at the back of your throat? Yes, okay. Met jou tong en tande, with your tongue and your teeth. So I want you all to say mm.
Mm.
Where does your tongue touch your teeth? Mm.
Mm.
Where does it touch? At the
At the
back
top.
of your top teeth. Very good. And then l, the loop.
Lip.
Very good. Met jou lippe, so with your lips up for pasta.
Pasta.
B for bowl.
Bar.
Nom. Good. And then met jou lippe en tande, with your lips and your teeth, is v for wiskunde
Wiskunde.
en f for fun.
Fun.
Mooi. All right. So now number A says, omkring die konsonante in die blok, trek 'n lyn deur die vokale. So you are going to look in your book, there's a block by number A, and I want you to first things first make a star next to number A with your color pen or highlighter. Everyone do that for me. Color pen or highlighter, make a star next to the A on page 30.
The A on page 30.
Yes.
Oh.
So make a star next to A on page 30. So everywhere we make stars during our class, you have to go and complete that once we're done. Okay. So you have to circle the consonants. Remember, these are your consonants. And you have to make a line through your vowels. So you're going to make a line through your vocale. Everyone do one vowel and one consonant for me, and then you put 2 thumbs up so I can see that you're done. So make a line through the vowel and make a circle around the consonant. You can use these blocks to help you.
To the vowel.
Once you've done one of each, I want you to please put up your thumbs for me.
Consonant.
Okay, look in your block, Jalen. In your block for number A. Okay. I want you to find one consonant. Remember, these are your consonant sounds. Look at the screen, the big block. One of them you have to circle. So look for one consonant in your block and circle it. And then I want you to find a vowel, which are these, and I want you to make a line through it. Okay, you're just doing one for now, but for homework, you have to go do all the rest. You have to do all the vowel sounds and all the consonants. Okay, we're carrying on. Now you're going to finish page B. So you have to fill in the missing sounds to complete the words. Use page 27 to help you. If there are 2 lines, you need to fill in 2 sounds. So you have to fill in the missing sounds of all of those words. All right. So I'm just going to read that for you in Afrikaans. Die woorde hieronder het vokale en konsonante. Skryf die regte letters in. So they have vowels or consonants. You have to fill in the correct sound. As daar 2 streepies is, moet jy 2 klanke skryf. When there's 2 stripes, you have to write 2 sounds, and you use page 27 to help you. So with your color pen or highlighter, make a star next to number B for me, because that's also going to be homework. Make a star next to number B for me. Okay, then I want you to go to the next page, page 31, and you're going to write your date. Okay, if you haven't written a date, just make a start to make sure that you remember to do that. We are going to talk about meervoude, which are plurals. Okay, meervoud is meer as een. So we use plurals when we have more than one. Do we all understand that? So it's plurals that we use for more than one. So in your book, in the block that says onthou, with your color pen or highlighter, I want you to go underline the word meervoud and the words meer as een. Everyone underline the word meervoud and meer as een. All right. So now, here is an example. Ons het 1 blom, 1 flower, of ons het baie blomme, many flowers. Okay. Hoe om meervoude te vorm? So how do we make plurals in Afrikaans? Okay. So I want you to put your thinking cap on. Everyone thinking caps on? Here we go. Okay. We have 4 rules, 4 reels. Okay. You can see those 4 dots in your block. I want you to go number them again for me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In your book, everyone quickly number those 4 dots in your block that says onthou. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So, number 1, you're going to look at the screen and then you're going to go back to your book. Reel number 1, a kort vokaal. Okay, in your book, underline a kort vokaal. That is a short vowel sound. Okay, look at the screen. Number 2, 2 vokale. So in your book, I want you to underline 2 vokale by dot number 2.
Number 2 vowels.
Okay, that's 2 vowels. Very good. Number 3 is 2 konsonante. In your book, I want you to go underline 2 konsonante.
2 consonants.
And then number 4, woorde wat op by I eindig, woorde op I. You're going to underline that in your book.
Woorde op I.
Okay, you with us, Josh?
I'm confused.
Okay, those 4 dots in the block that says onthou, you're going to underline those dots. Okay, so now we're going to go through the rules. We only have about 5 minutes left, so I'm going to quickly go through these rules, and then you're going to do it for homework. Okay, so rule number 1. Okay, I want you to focus on the screen because I have some cool tricks you can do with your body to help you remind yourself. Okay. It says, wanneer ons 'n kort vokaal het, so when we have a short vowel, verdubbel die konsonant, we double the consonants, en dit kry 'n e, we add 'n e. Okay, so look at the screen. Wanneer ons 'n kort vokaal het, when we have a short vowel sound, verdubbel die konsonante, now we have 2 consonants, en dit kry 'n e, it gets an e. So look at the screen. Can you see the is a kort vokaal? Yes?
Yes.
Now we're going to double the consonant. Okay, here's our consonant. We double it and we add a e. Okay. Kat is a kort vokaal. We take the consonant, we double it and we add a e. So dit word kat, kat, mus, musse. Okay, let's do the last one. Kop, we have a short vowel sound, so we double the consonant and we add a e. Kop, all right. Now let's carry on. Reël nummer 2. Now there's 2 parts to this rule. Okay. Wanneer ons 2 van dieselfde vokaal het, when we have 2 of the same vowel sounds, one falls away and we get an e. Okay, so look at the first word that says haar. Can you all see that? Okay.
Yes.
We have
Yes.
2 of the same sounds, a and an a. So we take one away and we add a e. Hare. Oor, can you see those are the same sounds? Yes. We take one away and we add an e. Bien, can you see those 2 are the same vowel sounds? So we take one away and we add an e. Now the second part of this rule is when we have 2 vowels that are different. 2 vokale wat verskillend is, like o en 'n e en 'n u or e en 'n u, kry die woord net 'n e. So then we don't change it at all. We just add 'n e. Voet, voete, deur, deure, neus, neuse. All right. Reël nummer 3, rule number 3. Wanneer die woord op 2 konsonante eindig, when the word ends on 2 consonants, kry dit net 'n e. We just add an e. So look, 'n n and a g, we add a e. Tong, tonge. Hand, can you see it ends on 2 consonants? Hande. Mond, monde. Very good. Reël nummer 4, rule number 4. Woorde wat op 'n i eindig. So this one's a little bit different, okay? Woorde wat op 'n i eindig, words that end on an ie, kry dit 'n s. We just add a s. Okay, so look at this. Naltjie,
Mommy,
behind the e,
something happened.
so we just add a s. All right? Pinky, so we just say pinky, we just add an s. Okay, so let's quickly recap our rules. So this screen you are going to use while you do your homework to help you out. Okay, miss, short vowel sound,
Yes.
so we double the consonant and we add an e. Short vowel sound, double the consonant, add an e. 2 vokale, if it's the same, one falls away and we add an e. If they're not the same, we just add an e. Whoa, sorry, we just add an e. How easy is that? Okay. 2 konsonante, when there's 2 consonants, a n and a g, we just add an e. 2 consonants, we just add an e. Okay. Reël nummer 4, wanneer 'n woord eindig op e, when words end on an ie, we just add an s. So when it ends on an ie, naltjie, naltjies. Pinky, pinkies. Okay, now we only have about a minute left, so I want you to get your highlighter. Everyone quickly get your highlighter, your color pen. On page 31, you are going to take A, make a star next to A, and make a star next to B. You have to fill in the plural of those words of A and B. A, you fill in the plural of the word next to it on the line. B, you fill in the plural of the word between brackets. Okay? And then I want you to go to page 33. Everyone go to page 33.
Yep, I'm there.
And you are going to make a star in the block that says Meervoude. So if you look here at the top, it says Meervoude. In that block, you're going to make a star. That whole block, you have to go write the plurals as well. So that's going to be all your homework. All right. And I have to say goodbye, guys, because that's the end of our lesson. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm messing up you guys so much. Tot ziens, class. Bye. Tot ziens.
Bye, man.
Bye.
Bye.
See you
Bye.
next week.
English in 20 minutes. Go have a break, something to eat, whatever.
Yeah. Okay, mommy, I'm done with the meeting.